Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today is Saturday and I'm already making I will show you guys what I'm making, potato and the egg sauce. That is what I'm making, and I will also be preparing egusi soup, just more egusi soup. Okay, yes, that is just it. My hand is paining me. I'm not using tripod. I'm not using my tripod, and I will be going to church. I'll be going to church in the evening. Today is Saturday, to go and help in cleaning the church, at sanctuary. Please, you gotta like, if today is your first time, stopping by, please, when they rush that subscribe button, when they grab it and be a part of this family. You gotta like, yeah, you will love us. I will love it. You gotta get, yeah. You're welcome. And my baby is there. This is my portable. In fact, anywhere I am, she must be there. They joke with her. Now my happiness. You gotta get. So when baby, you are falling down. Or your seat. Don't cry. Oh, sorry. Say hi. Hi. You want me to carry you? So guys, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. So guys, I'll be showing you guys what I'm doing. Let's say my tomato don't burst. Let me show you guys what I'm preparing. This is a potato, Irish potato. Okay, and that is the sauce we are going to be eating it with. Okay, that is the sauce. And I'm about to start preparing a small egusi soup, and this is the meat. I already washed it. Okay, so I will start preparing it right now. That is spring onions I just added on that what is it called, egg sauce. I want to also add spinach because I need not that much. Okay,
Started as a whisper, message from a new world.
I think it's ready.
Something about it felt like it been waiting my whole life. Is this home?
Feeding Oma. While my soup is getting ready, the meat is boiling, and Oma is hungry. So I will be feeding her. Father Lord, bless this food, oh God, and provide for those who do not see.
You say she no fine, she too short, she no tall, she too old. I agree, but I like her so. She go break in my heart, yo. Our love will no go walk, oh. Now you sabi, she be my choice. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her. Leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short, her dash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short, her dash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short, her dash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short.
So I just laid Oma down now. I just finished feeding her. You guys already saw when I'm feeding her. I've just laid her down and she's sleeping right now. So right now the meat is still boiling, and I want to be spraying the cloth that I already washed in the washing machine. So I'll be spraying it. I'm trying to be fast enough so that I'll be able to meet up on time in the church. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And grab your popcorn. You gotta like, yeah, you gotta go. So continue spending the day with us, alright? soup is ready. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This blanching is actually good though. So I'm done with making the soup. Okay. Oh, so guys, I'm so tired right now. So hubby just got back and the soup is ready. I'm so tired, I'm hungry. I'll just eat, take my bath and then head to church. Although we'll be going to church together with hubby as he's back now. He will be going for choir practice as an engineer, and me, I'll go and clean up the church. So that is it. I'm so hungry. I want to take milk. I already dished out my food. So that's sauce. You guys saw me preparing the potato. I'll go ahead and have it now. Dish for my hubby. He's bathing right now. So when he's done, I'll bathe mine and then we head to church. I'll see you guys later. Alright? Hey guys, welcome back. We are heading to church right now. We just got down from bus and we are already close to church. Hello. And hubby is here. Oma is inside her Range Rover. Say hi now. Hubby is going to choir practice. I mean, he's an engineer. He's setting their instrument and he's also an instrumentalist. Okay, yeah, he plays guitar very well. He's a pro in guitar. So that is it. And we are already close to church. This building is our church. Okay. So that is hobby.
Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord saves him from them all. The enemy will dig a pit and fall into it, but the righteous will move by the power of the Lord. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli.
Don't carry her, oh my goodness. Don't carry her, please. Just play with her, alright? Say hello. Say hello. Mommy.
Who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli. Who God is blessed, no man can curse.
Lord, for your mercy, where would I be? Where would I be? No one understands where you brought me from. Now my life has changed. No